Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily generate a memorial tribute or poster of someone using Gemini AI. So the prompt that I'm about to show you later is going to be quite easy to use. You only need to provide the name of the person and some tiny details, and of course the photo of the deceased individual. So let me show you how you can do it. First, you can navigate to gemini.google.com. Now you can use this tool, and I think this is my recommendation, but at the moment I'm hitting a limit even though I'm using the paid version of Gemini, but I still got the limit. So for an alternative, I'm going to use Google AI Studio. It is still quite similar to Google's Gemini, and also it is from Google. So one benefit of using AI Studio is you can control the aspect ratio or the dimension of the picture. Now I'm going to click chat, and I'm going to select the model to be Nana Banana. So this is again the same model as the one in Gemini, and it is able to generate a picture. Now for this demonstration, I'll try to use a photo of someone who doesn't exist. So I will use a website, this person does not exist.com. So this is a phrase that never existed, and you can also use it if you want to create some template. Okay, let me just use maybe some adult individual. Let me try this. I'm going to save it to my computer, and after that, let's go back to Gemini or Google AI Studio, and here I'll just upload the picture. Okay, now it is a different person for some reason, but that's totally fine. I'm going to continue. And after that, you can insert this AI prompt. It is very long, but don't worry, I'm going to put this prompt in the description down below. And there are a few things that you need to modify. So here, sorry about that, you can modify, of course, the name of the person right here. And also, if you want to include some obituary or some short messages, you can insert it right here. And you might want to include the date of the birth and also the date of death of the individual. Now I'll just use one example that I created, so I'm going to delete this, and let's just use this one. Now after that, here in AI Studio, I can easily select the aspect ratio, so that's very useful. But this feature does not exist on the Gemini web version for some reason. There is actually a way to control the aspect ratio, but that's kind of complicated. So for now, I'm going to be using Google AI Studio. And also, not to mention, I got the limit on my account, so I cannot use the Gemini's Nana Banana AI model in that platform. So just wait for about 10 to 20 seconds, and you will get the picture. And there you go. So this time around, I'm using a more horizontal aspect ratio. I can also switch to something that is more square or vertical. So again, that's the benefit of using this AI tool. Now after that, you can click this download button and you can save it. And I think the design is quite simple. It's warming, comforting, and I think it is a great way to honor the individual. So yeah, that's basically how you can generate a memorial poster using Gemini's AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.